the silence after the where it just kind of ripples back out. The pranava, the cosmic roar. Pranava could also mean the giver of prana, so the giver of our life force. What a beautiful thing to resonate on. So we're going to do 108 rounds of the sound Om. That and then we simply rest in the stillness. So close your eyes for a moment. Sit up nice and tall. And if you'd like, and you have a set of malas, you can count along on each bead with me. Otherwise, you can simply just become absorbed and join in the mantra. You can, of course, simply listen as well. That is a perfect option. And we're going to chant the sound of Om with the harmonium.